Okay, so this is going to be a new regular feature. Every Tuesday, we're going to have Time Trial Tuesday on iRacing. We're going to do the time attack, and you can see we're in iRacing at the moment, and I've clicked on the time attack on the left here. And here, they've got challenges where you can drive lots of different cars across a number of tracks and then see how you stack up against everyone else. So I've had a look through, and I think we'll start simple. And the idea here is I'm going to use the Formula V, and I'd encourage everyone else to have a go as well, and we'll see where we all stack up, because not many people have done it, so it'll be quite interesting if we all have a go. But you can see I'm going to use the Formula V. It's a fixed setup. There's 12 different tracks, so I'm going to do this every Tuesday, and then we'll do it again next season. We've got until the 9th of March to get this done, so I'm guessing I've started a bit late because we're in week 5, aren't we? But we'll have to see how we go. And here's all the tracks. So you just drive it. You do your fastest lap, and you see where you rank up. So this guy here, across all the tracks, his time is 18 minutes. But if you look at just one track, so the one we're going to start with, this is where, I mean, he's the fastest there. So he's done a lap of 55, and that was a month ago. So we've got to try and beat 55 seconds, haven't we, for a lap? And then we'll do the next one and the next one. And every Tuesday, it's Time Trial Tuesday. Anyway, let's get going. Okay, here we are. So I've just done a lap just to make sure I've got everything set up. And what we're going to do is we're going to have the comparison lap, which is the fastest one, which is a 55.369. And we're going to see that driver in front of us. So that's going to be quite interesting. And we'll see if we can keep up with him. I did one lap and I found it a bit distracting, so we might end up turning that off because I was sort of watching where he was going rather than focusing on my driving. But anyway, so we'll see. We'll do 4 or 5 laps, see how we get on, and then see how we compare to the rest of the world. Okay, right, we're starting midway through the lap, I think. We've got a couple of corners before we get to the start. Well, actually, it's one corner. Where are we? I don't know where we're starting now, actually. I'm lost. Oh, yeah, we're coming on the long... This is the long straight, and then it's one corner, and then we'll be on the start. Anyway. So this isn't my best track, the Jefferson circuit. I don't like it very much. I think it's a bit tight and twisty, and I got that wrong. So if you look to our left, we should see... Here we go. Oh, to our right he is now. So that is the fastest guy around here. Now I'm going to try and ignore him and just drive my lines. And you can see... Too quick. Okay. Right, well, we're not going to keep up with him this lap, but we'll get going. Tyres are cold, I think. That's not helping. So I'm just going to drive a few laps and we'll see. I'm not going to try and beat him at every corner. I'm just going to drive my lines and see if we can get anywhere near. If I can get into 55s, I think I'd be quite happy. I don't recall what I've done in the past here, actually, because I've raced here before, but I can't remember what I've done. Yeah, the tyres aren't quite ready. And it is quite a tricky corner, that left-hander there. But yeah, definitely, everyone have a go. Because it'd be really interesting, wouldn't it, to see how we all stack up. So if you get a chance, if you've got iRacing, then this is one of the free cars. It's all the free tracks, which is why I've chosen it. So there should be no excuse. And post your times in the comments. 2.07. Okay, there he is then. Okay, so we're slow on the straight, aren't we? Because he's already pulling ahead. Like I said, I'm going to ignore him. Okay, and I'm going in there too quick. And our the red line at the top is also comparing against him. We can see how far off we are. So we're a long way off already. Look, bloody hell. Okay. I mean, this will help with when we actually have proper races, won't it? Because I'll be learning tracks and how to go really quick around them. So, and we don't get a slipstream. It's a shame, because that would be nice. That would make all the difference, wouldn't it? Yeah, I'm not sure on this corner. But we'll know if we're slow off that corner, because he'll just come straight past us again, which is what he's doing. Not so much this time, though, which is good. A bit closer this time. Tyres are better now. He gets away there a little bit, doesn't he? Okay, we're a little bit closer anyway. That's a bit tricky around there. We lost a bit of time there. So we're going to get into the 56s maybe. Can we get off this corner a little bit quicker? Maybe.
56.477.
Yeah, he's just about overtaking us now, isn't he? You just see him? We're right with him. No, he's got away there. How do you do that? Yes, we went deep. Guess we got a slightly better exit. Slightly better there. So we're going to get closer. Yeah, not as good there. So what are we doing now then?
6.287.
Okay, so we're still a fair way off. Quick through there, haven't they? Blimey. Slower in and quicker out, that's what we need. Yeah, I'd love to get a slipstream from him. That would be wonderful. Hey, 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 hey. Trying too hard. Okay. Let's grab that lap then. Ah. I wonder if we run out of fuel. I wonder what happens there. We can get a good run onto the straight then. Not the best. He's going to be right with this, isn't he?
3.
Oh, there he is. Yeah, I was going to say I couldn't see him, but there he is. Lost a bit of time there. Really fascinating, isn't it, seeing where he's quick and we're not. So we're losing here then, aren't we? Just need to try harder. We lost a load of time there, so we're slowing too much, I think, for that corner. And this next one we're not good on either. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Right. Let's see. This is going to be one of those ones where I get really frustrated, I think. So this lap's a bust because we've come onto the straight too slow. But let's see what we can do in this corner. If there's a better way through for us. To slipstream, I'd be with him, wouldn't I? No problem. This is what people do when they're racing. They think they're as quick as you because they've got the slipstream. And actually they're not. Because with slipstream, I would be right on him. So we're right with him this time. More or less. This is the closest we've been through that bit, isn't it? I think so. And it's this bit, isn't it? Yes, that's the bit where I've got to really try a bit harder, I think. Yeah, a bit slow through there. Okay. 6.09. Okay, so nearly into the 55s. If I can get to the 55s, I'd be quite happy. So he went in a bit quicker than us there. Oh. So he's disappeared. Why is that then? Is that because he only did so many laps? What do we think? I wonder. Well, let's do a couple of laps on my own then, and we'll see what happens. I think we'll do 2 more laps, and then I don't think I'm going to go any quicker. And we'll see where we stack up. So 56. It'd be nice to get into the 55s if we're good. Oh no, there he is. So I wonder why he disappeared there then. He just disappeared, didn't he? Don't know what that was about. Yeah, it would be nice to get into the 55s, I think. That's probably where we'll call it. I'll just drive my own lines, I think. Can't really be following him. 56.179. Yeah, I lose 1/3 of a second every time, don't I, through that? Kept a bit quicker that time. A bit closer. Got the same exit speed more or less, didn't I? Because he's not pulling away. We were quicker. 55.9. Okay, 1 more then. Then we'll call it. Still 1/3 of a second through there. Every time. Yeah, okay, I think that's it. Don't going to go any quicker than that. 6.034. Yeah, okay. Let's call it there and see how we stack up. Okay then, so we're back at the main screen. Let's see, we've got a tick because we've done Summit Point Raceway. We'll do the, so that was the Jefferson circuit. We'll do the main long circuit next week. So where do we stack up then? Jefferson circuit, we are 14th. 55.9. At least we're in the 55s with a first one into the 55s. Next one behind us is in the 56s. So I guess we second to last. I don't know. Anyway, we'll start there. So we're only, 0.6 behind. Maybe I'll make up some places on some of the other tracks. Some of these I'm pretty good at. Summit Point, not so bad at Oschersleben. I could do some of these tracks quite well. So we'll see. But I would encourage you, have a go. Tell us your time. So I did a 55.952. If you can beat that, then stick it in the comments. And we'll do another Time Trial Tuesday next week. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. So stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.